Hello YouTubers. Today we've got a quick one. We're just going to change the brake light on the rear of this Toyota Echo. It's going to be the same as a Toyota Yaris. Maybe a Toyota Corolla is going to be a bit similar. A lot of cars might be a bit similar. Okay, put the brakes on. So you can see that it's this side right here that's out. And you're not going to need any tools for it. But you are going to have to pop the trunk. You can stop that now and just pop the trunk. Or the boot.
It's already open.
No.
Oh, that one.
Okay, so on the back side of the tail light, it's just going to be all foam. You're going to take this nut off here. It's just a plastic nut. You're not going to need any tools for it. And then down here, there's a push-in screw. You just take the edges of it and pull it out. And that's going to look like that. Then you're going to remove this padding. You're going to find the bulb that you need. You're going to turn it to the left, pull it out. And then these are push-in bulbs. So you just pull it out. It's going to look like that. You can tell this one's blown out because it's all black. You're going to get a new one. They're 12 volt, 21 5-watt. So they're also going to be your tail light as well. You take this, push it back in there, it'll click. Then I take that out of there. I take a rag and you wipe off any fingerprints because it'll leave a hot spot, and that's where the bulb will burn out first. So if you can wipe off any fingerprints, that's good. And then you put it back in. And it's in, and then you go back and put the brake light on so I can see whether it's going to work. Yes, and all the brake lights work now, so that's good. And then, can you turn on the running lights, Selena, the headlights? Yep, and see the tail lights do work. That's good, you can turn them off now. And then you're just going to put all this back. Put it back in there, make sure it's all in there good. Then you take your push-in screw, push that in there. You take your plastic nut and then screw it onto that. And then you're all done. You can shut that down. Try it again. Put the brake light on again. Yep, and you can see all the brake lights work now. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.